guys, it's Tylibra L here, and I'm going to walk you through my skincare routine and my everyday makeup look featuring Vogue. I thought it would be real nice if I do like a Vogue inspired video, and I've been thinking about doing this for the past few months actually. And honestly, yeah, I was just like, do I post it, do I not? Like, are they gonna copyright me? And I was like, just do it. Just do it. Just do it. So, I like to push my hair back. First thing, I might use this clamp too, honestly. First thing I'm gonna do is go in with my La Roche-Posay. Yeah, I really like to push this in really good. I'm using it for the past couple of months now. Honestly, with my skincare, I honestly like rotate. I don't use the same thing all the time. Sometimes I go in with this, I go in with my Good Molecules, or I go in with my Tatcha. You're going to take like a paper towel and yeah, don't mess up the edges. Try to keep the edges intact. Thing I do, I go in with toner, and so yeah, I just put it in my hands. I really let dry into my skin. I did struggle with acne for a while, like especially like on my forehead. So once that's dry, go in with a hyaluronic acid serum, and I also go in with vitamin C and collagen serum by Skin 2.0. Hyaluronic acid really does reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Make sure you do your skincare before you just put on makeup. Like, your skincare has to be A1. And the other one I was telling you guys about. Next, going with your eye gel. Now, how did I figure my eye gel out? I don't know, but normally put this on before you put the hyaluronic acid. Got the hiccups. So, go in. Next is the Tatcha moisturizer. Look how cute. This moisturizer is so good. So good. You honestly don't need all the, you don't need all of it. Really the best moisturizer on the market. And with your sunscreen, black people don't think they need this, but you do. Wear your sunscreen. Sunscreen have you looking like, oh my god, so glowy. Now that my skincare is, you know, all complete, skin is ready and all prepped, I'm gonna get into the look. I'm gonna go in with the Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Primer. Next, I'll go in with my Fenty Beauty Skin Tint. Beauty blender, this is a real technique. So next, you want to go in with this Westman Atelier contour stick. I don't do my makeup like this every day. This is like a 10-minute makeup look. And immediately, then just take the excess and rub it in your chin. Let's go in with your concealer. Now with the concealer, you do want to leave it in a while, and I'm gonna use the Juvia's Place concealer in the number 18 with number 13. Take a powder puff and just blend in. And go in with the wet one and then just blend it in some more. Going with the Rare Beauty blush. Blend it in. This is a good look for putting on your nose a little. Go in with this Wet n Wild. What is this? Translucent powder. So let that sit a while. I know I probably look ghosty. You know, the contour kit, y'all, this contour kit is busted. Okay. I know it look kind of crazy. Trust the process. Trust the face powder, and then just. Then I go in with a blush powder, and this is so old, y'all. So I'm not going to tell y'all anything about this because I'll be like, oh my gosh. I'm a blush girl, bronzy girl. Go under eyebrows. Anytime I try to do my eyebrows on camera, they come out horrible. And I understand why people be like, I'm gonna step out before I do my eyebrows. I think they look okay. Take a concealer that's close, like close, real close to your skin color. This is Armani, the color 8. Just put like a little bit, cause y'all, you really don't wanna do too much. I mean, unless that's the look you're going for, but I know that's not the look I'm going for, so yeah. Take your concealer brush. Yeah, oh yeah, this is quick. If you don't know how to do your makeup, you don't know how to do it. Once all that is done, go in with some brow gel. I go in with the NYX brow gel. And I just press my hairstyle. And with the Juvia's Place palette in this color right here. This is my go-to color. Go in with your mascara. I go in with the Lancome mascara. Then you want to go in with some highlighter. Just put it. I don't even put highlighter on no more, but I want to today. That, y'all, go in with a liner. This is a liner by Lancome, and I do freckles. So it's just something about enhancing your freckles. But when I put on makeup, I hide my freckles without even trying to. So I just add them back to. Next, you want to go in with a NYX liner. Yeah, I'm an overline queen, but I'll go in with this e.l.f. lip oil, and this is the red one. Can't really tell how I look on here, but in person, on the mirror, it looks nice. I'll spray my face if I had setting spray, but I don't have any more, so I'm gonna just let my face do its thing. And you guys, this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you guys will see me in Vogue one day. Trust me. And I'm gonna actually do a video like this on their page and not my page. I can't believe it. But I'm gonna fix my edges, and yeah.